Alright, so here's the pond. It's hard to see it now, but it's going to be a 5,300 gallon pond. It's 12 by 12, 5 feet deep. So I got the bottom drain in today. Concrete drying. The concrete's drying. And after I backfill, I got to clean up the sides, round them, and then here's my Cetus sieve filter. Here's my filtration area. Still got to figure out how I'm gonna do this. I think I got to make it a little bigger. I'm gonna get my Cetus in, coming on off the main shutoff valve there. Then after that, it's gonna go into that where I'm gonna draw from. I'm not doing external pumps just because I already have all these sump pumps, so I'm gonna use these and run from there, from the Cetus into the barrel, and then from the barrel I'm gonna pump out into the trickle filter that I have over there in my old pond. Well, that's not my old pond. My old pond is actually over there, but it got a 800 gallon a day leak. So after a few days of filling the pond back up, I had to move them. So they've been living in that little above ground pool for all summer and winter. Covered them up, and it's the best I could do. Building this pond wasn't cheap, and I couldn't do it without a lot of planning. So, and then I'm gonna go. So I have my trickle filter system there, and then I'm also adding basically like this is gonna be set up like a bog filter. It's roughly 250 gallons, 4x4. It's gonna be 4x4, 2 feet, 4x4 x 2. And that's gonna sit right here off the back. And this won't be done even when it's done. I'm gonna have decks I'm gonna build a deck across the whole span here with 16-foot lumber, but I have to buy it all. Here's the fishies. They're much bigger from the last time I showed you guys. Let's see if we can. Yeah, a couple of them are pushing 2 feet now. So yeah, I got me my 50 koi living in a 800 gallon pond, 1,000 gallon pond. It's funny, but didn't want to do it this way, but I had no choice. I couldn't keep doing 800 gallons a day in my other pond. It was ridiculous. And the liner alone to build the new pond was $1,100. So it wasn't something I could just do, I had to save up and plan for it. But the koi are a little stressed living here, but they're not as bad as you might think. They grew up together, all these koi. They've been together since they were babies, except for 7 of them, which I got locally. So they're all familiar with each other. There's no issues other than they're getting huge. So there we go, there's my pond. I'm hoping to finish in 2 weeks. So I'll do a couple more videos along the way. I had that for egress. I don't know if I'm gonna leave it or not, just in case somebody happens to fall in. But I don't know, we'll see. I might leave it. I'll still trying to decide. Anyways, well, thanks for watching. I'm gonna try to get back on here and do some more updates on my koi and my rabbits and my chickens. But yeah, other than that, that's what I've been doing. Working a lot. Working on my book, which I'm still not ready to publish. But becoming a better writer isn't something that happens in my time, I guess. It happens over time. But eventually it's going to be good enough to publish. Anyways, well, hey, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day. Till the next video. I'm out.